Thunderstorms brought flash flooding to multiple streets in New Orleans, Louisiana, on July 10, leaving vehicles partially submerged and inundating buildings. A waterspout was also reported in Lake Pontchartrain while a tornado warning was in effect. The flooding sparked the closure of several buildings, including City Hall and all public libraries, as well as the suspension of the city's bus and streetcar services. City officials urged people to stay off the roads until the storm system moved on. Road, police, and fire officials said barricades were being erected on several streets and intersections. Credit, Gerstein via Storyful.